Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our White Tiger training. It's one of our meditation videos. But before we get there, what I need you to do is go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Position 9. Left hand, head height, or in Wing Chun, Yu Sao. Right hand, palm up at the Dan Tian, thumb to the index finger. Here, one breath to start. The percentage breaths are 70 and 30. Breathe naturally, 3 to 5 minutes. 3 breaths to come out. One breath to start. Full breath in. Exhale 70%. Full breath in and out. Full breath in. Exhale 30%. Full breath in and out. Breathe naturally here, 3 to 5 minutes. Relax the arm down, 3 breaths to come out. And this is position 9. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.